Jandy here with Jandy Travels. It is our last full day, beautiful morning to enjoy, and the wind coming off the lake is super strong, super windy. I'm sure you can hear it through the phone. Everything's blowing away. If it's not tied down, it's going to blow away. But it is a beautiful, beautiful, sunny, beautiful day. Yep. I was going to go fishing. I thought about going fishing this morning, but it's just too windy to even cast a line, or drop a hook. Anyway, it is nice. Poor fishing buddy, he's trying to stay covered up. Yep, we've enjoyed this. This is at Woolly Hollow State Park. It is north of Conway and a little northeast of Greenbrier, Arkansas. It is beautiful, 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 beautiful. Nice, nice, nice lake. Nice pad. I like this one. We've been here I've been here like 4 times.